The Brabus PowerXtra D35E performance kit based on the GLE 350DE consists of two processor-driven auxiliary control modules. One control module manages the performance increase for a combustion engine. The other module, PowerXtra ELECTRIC, assumes the task for the electric drive. In addition to a bump in a peak torque from 700 Nm to 820 Nm, the rated output jumps by 32 horsepower to 354 horsepower. The plug-and-play control unit is adapted to the production electronics.